I think this is aeroplane.
Not aeroplane.
Then what's this?
Helicopter.
Very good, Rahi. I think this is knife. Then what's this? Very good. Rahi, I think this is cow. Then what's this? Camel. Very good, Mama. Rahima, I think this is onion. Then what's this? This is scissor. Then what's this? I think this is duck. Then what's this? Chick. How does chick sound? Very good. Mama, I think this is notebook. Then what?
Book.
Very good. I think this is square shape.
Not twice.
Then what?
Circle.
I think this is your dress.
Not dress.
Then what's this?
Socks.
I think this is your necklace.
Not necklace.
Then what's this?
Bingo.
Very good, Mama.